welcome to another video. Today I have a subscription box from Claw Culture, so check out their products. I have a discount code for 10% off. Enter this when you check out with kizzy10. So this month I've gone for a festive sort of theme with the three colours that I chose. So let's have a look and see what's inside. First we have Wisteria Diamond. This is like a crushed flake gel polish. Super sparkly. Next we have this green, so that's crushed emerald. Super sparkly. And then we have the final colour, which has got to be a red, and this one is Ruby Slipper. And then we have our glitter, that's called Mac Daddy for this month. So we're going to get some pop sticks now, and we're going to have a look to see what the colours look like on a nail. So the subscription box is £19.90. So that includes your three colours, your glitter or your nail file, and shipping. We're going to pop them in for a 60-second cure. When I was filming this, I was super impatient because this 60 seconds felt like it was taking forever. So I've gone ahead and put a second coat on off camera. So these are the three colours we have this month. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because it really helps me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!